The warning auxiliary battery malfunction in your Infiniti QX30 always refers to the small second battery that helps the vehicle during start-stop cycles and also powers a lot of accessories. This is a little AGM battery that's located under the carpet on the passenger side of the left-hand vehicles and is not that easy to get to. Basically, the QX30 uses the Mercedes engines and transmissions as well as electrical systems, so it's a typical location of the auxiliary battery for Mercedes cars. You will need to take some trim off to be able to pull back the carpet. After that, it's just the small plastic cover that hides the battery. It's easy to replace it, so no need to take it to a repair shop and pay money for that. Also, this is the AGM battery, so if it goes low on voltage, it's very likely dead and needs replacement. There is no need to try to charge it with an external charger. Fortunately, the QX30 uses a pretty small battery that will not cost you much, and you can just buy an aftermarket battery instead of paying much more for the OEM Mercedes one.